We have always wondered if it's more convenient to use gas or electricity for cooking, and the current situation has motivated us to make this video. Starting with electricity, we first test various degrees of power to understand which was more advantageous. We use 1500 grams of water in each test. The first to boil was the 2000 watts in 5 minutes and 20 seconds, consuming 0.175 kW per hour. The second position is the 1600 watts in 6 minutes and 50 seconds, consuming 0.179 kW per hour. In third place, the 1200 watts in 9 minutes and 23 seconds, consuming 0.185 kW per hour. In the cooking test, we will therefore use 2000 watts and verify the effectiveness of the lid. When the water came to boil, we threw 1 gram of salt and 100 grams of pasta, and we set the minimum power of the lid, while 200 watts more for the one without a lid to keep it boiling. We waited for 12 minutes of cooking and found the following value: 0.231 kilowatts per hour in 17 minutes and 40 seconds using the lid, and 0.315 kilowatts per hour in 19 minutes and 5 seconds for the test without the lid. So the lid saved us 0.084 kilowatt per hour and 1 minute and 25 seconds. Let's move to the gas. We will use a medium stove, the one that best suits for the size of the pot. After 11 minutes and 20 seconds, the pot with the lid reached a boil, consuming 0.025 cubic meters of gas. We then added the same amount of salt and pasta. 1 minute and 30 seconds later, even the one without a lid has reached a boil, consuming 0.031 cubic meters of gas. We lowered the flame in proportion to maintain the boil, and after 12 minutes of cooking, we obtained this data. .034 cubic meters of gas in 23 minutes and 30 seconds for the test with a lid, and 0.044 cubic meters in 25 minutes for the one without a lid. With this value, you can calculate your cost of each test and determine what you should use. Just retrieve a bill and divide the cost by the cubic meters of the kilowatt per hours using that period. Then multiply that value by the result obtained from the gas and electricity tests. I hope it will be useful to you. Thanks for watching the video. I will look forward to next time.